Hello everyone, welcome to our DIY Christmas Wonderland. Infuse excitement as you embark on a festive journey together. Clearly express the purpose of the video crafting stunning Christmas decoration for yard. Share the joy of turning outdoor space into magical holiday landscape. We will dive into the art of creating beautiful Christmas decoration that will transform your yard into enhancing winter wonderland. Let's spread the holiday cheers and make our outdoor as festive as can be. When jazzing up your yard for Christmas, stick to basic like twinkling lights, festive warmth, and shine ornaments. These are easy to find and won't break the bank. Keep your budget in check by opening for pockets friendly materials. Look for beginner on lights, warmth, and ornaments at your local store. Affordable choice ensure everyone can join in the holiday decorating fun without burning a hole in their wallets. Creating a captivating light display for your outdoor Christmas decoration is a fantastic way to separate holiday cheer. Start by outlining the key areas you want to illuminate, such as trees, bushes, and pathways. Choose a mix of colorful and warm white lights for a festive basis. To maximize impact, consider using versus lighting techniques like draping lights along branches or wrapping them around objects. Experiment with different partners and heights to add depth. Don't forget to highlight focal points like your front door or special ornament. By strategical arrange lights, you will ensure a visual stunning and magical display that daylight everyone. Creating your own Christmas worth is a delightful DIY project. Start with a sturdy base like of wire or foam bearings, easily found at craft stores. Graver versus greenery such as pine branches. Simply attach the greenery to the base using roller wire or a hot glue gun. Now let's talk style. Consider traditional red and green for a classic look, or go modern with silver and blue. Add personal touches like bow ornaments or even pine cones. The beauty of crafting worth lie in expressing your unique style. So don't be afraid to experiment and having fun. Creating a welcoming entry is key for a festive atmosphere. Start by cleaning the porch and declutters to make space for decoration. Consider a colorful doormat and add a personal touch with DIY wreaths or potted plants. Hang stunning lights or garlands along the railing for a warm glow. Choose weather resistant materials for longevity. A welcoming porch sets the tone for holiday cheers and leaves a lasting impression of guest and possibly whether it is a cozy doormat or charming ornament. Simple touches make a big impact. This is not only enhance the holiday separate but also creating a sense of joy for all who entered. Transform your yard with DIY lawn ornaments, giving it a unique and personal touch. Consider using wooden cutouts easily crafted with basic tools and available at local hardware stores. These can range from classic holiday symbols to custom design, allowing you to showcase your creativity. Another charming option is painted rocks, and affordable and simple way to add festive flair. Choose rock of versus shapes and size, then paint them with cheerful holidays themes. These personalized law ornaments not only bring joy but also reflect your individual style, making your outdoor Christmas decoration truly special and memorable. Create a festive Christmas tree display in your yard by selecting a sturdy outdoor friendly trees, choosing a tree suitable for your climate and ensure it can withstand weather condition. Start by securing the tree in a stable stand to prevent tripping. Starting outdoors friendly lights around the branches, ensuring they are suitable for exterior use. Add weather resistant ornaments for durability. Consider using large lightweight decoration to prevent damage from wind. Enhance the festive atmosphere by incorporating a tree topper and warping the base with a festive stick. Regularly check and maintain your outdoor Christmas trees to ensure it stays cheerful throughout the holiday season. Bringing nature into your Christmas decoration adds a charming touch. For instance, pine cones can be easily collected and painted in festive colors, becoming unique ornaments. Holiday with its vibrant red berries add a pop of colors and symbolize the season. Consider using branches to create rustic centerpieces or warmth. They are free and easily accessible. Nature inspiring decor not only look beautiful but also connects your festive spirit with the outdoors. So next time you are out for a walk, gather a few nature elements to enhance your DIY Christmas creation and infuse your decoration with a touch of the great outdoors. Consider the outdoor condition. Choose decoration bullet in withstand worth challenges such as waterproof lights and durable materials. This ensures your festive steps stay intact and vibrant even in a rain or snow. Consider the outdoor condition. Choose decoration bullet to withstand weather challenges such as waterproof lights. Keep power source protected from the elements. Use outdoor rated extension cords and secure them to prevent tripping hazards. Encourage everyone to proudly showcase their DIY Christmas decoration. Share photos or videos on social medias using a unique hashtags, creating a community of festivity. Stay updated on the latest holiday inspiration by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button to ensure you don't miss out on upcoming DIY projects, helpful tips and exciting festive ideas.